Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and play Archero 2 on your PC or laptop in just 2 simple steps. It's super quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Download LD Player and install Archero 2. First, we need to download LD Player, which is one of the best Android emulators for PC gaming. Go to the official LD Player website and click on the Download Archero 2 on PC button to get LD Player 9.0. Once it's installed, open LD Player and in the search bar, type Archero 2. Make sure you pick the version by Habi. That's the correct one. Now you'll be redirected to Google Play. Just sign in with your Google account, click install, and wait for the download to finish, launch, and play Archero 2 on PC. After the installation, click on the Archero 2 icon to launch the game. The first time you open it, the game will automatically download some extra data, so just give it a moment. Once that's done, you'll be signed in with your Google account automatically. Watch the short intro animation and boom, you're ready to start your adventure. Bonus tip: keyboard mapping. Here's a quick tip for smoother gameplay. If you don't want to keep tapping or dragging with your mouse, LD Player lets you set up custom keyboard controls. Just click on the little keyboard icon on the right sidebar, drag the movement buttons to your screen, assign your keys, and hit save. Now, your gameplay will feel way smoother, minimum system requirements. To play Archero 2 on PC without lag, here's what you'll need: Windows 10 or above, at least an Intel Core i3 processor, a GTX 1050 Ti or better, 8 gigs of RAM, and around 10 gigs of free storage. If your PC meets these specs, you're good to go. And that's it. You can now enjoy Archero 2 on a bigger screen with smoother controls and better performance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more quick guides, and check out my other Archero 2 tips in the next video. Have fun, Archer.